Let them speak. Review hours 1 to 30. Please repeat or answer. Is that what the weather was like on July the 14th, 2018? Is Norway a place that you wish you could visit? Is that the bridge they had to cross so that they wouldn't get wet? Have you got any idea what it is that they have in the backpacks they're carrying? Did it get foggy while they were getting to the place they wanted to be? Have they stopped by the side of that stream so that they could have a snack they brought with them? Did many of them decide to fill up their water bottles before starting to go further? By the time they arrived at the top, did the weather begin clearing up? Do they plan on waiting there until everyone has had a chance to finish climbing up there? If they had asked you to come, would you have gone with them? How can you tell that it isn't that cold at the cliff they're at? Is that what they took in order to get to the place they were interested in going? Does the guy who is talking seem to be the leader of the group? Is he telling them all how they will be getting down the mountain? They must be getting ready to put on new things so that they can continue their adventure. Is that where they plan on jumping with the other people they climbed up there with? How many of the people do you see wearing cameras on their helmets to film the jump? Don't you wish that you could have joined them now that you see the place they're at? Is the reason they came to jump off those high cliffs they're on? Are they all set to start their adventure as long as the weather looks clear? Do some of them look a bit nervous now that it's time to jump? Are the wingsuits they're wearing things that you can buy at Walmart, if you want to get it? Is he making sure that the camera he brought is working? How is it that they decide who it is that will begin jumping first? How long does it seem that it will take them to get to the lake they can see from there? As soon as they say it's okay to jump, will they wind up jumping? Is where they're standing the best place to jump from? Was that the first person that you saw jumping off the cliff? Do they all appear to be a little confused since those first people jumped? Are they able to see the people that just jumped? How is it that they manage to communicate with each other while waiting there? Did you see the person that was wearing shorts and didn't have a wingsuit on? Get ready. Get set. Go! Can you see the others who came continuing to jump off of the cliff? Just in case their wingsuits don't work, do they say they also have parachutes? What would they do if both of those didn't happen to work? Is that how you jump into bed at night when it's time to go to sleep? Do you see that some of them decided to use their parachutes instead of using the wingsuits? What would happen if two of them happened to hit each other while diving off the cliff? Would it be funner using a wingsuit or a parachute to do this? Don't they look like bats? Doesn't it look like it's raining men and women? Would you be interested in learning how to do this if you were younger? Doesn't it appear that the people using parachutes are going a lot slower than the ones wearing wingsuits? Is the reason they do this because they love the thrill of danger? Shouldn't they have tried to stay further away from the side while moving through the air? They must be really brave to fly so close to the cliffs they're flying by. Did they tell you that they love doing things that appear to be dangerous like this? Is that the town they hope to land at? Didn't that jumper come too close to that side of the cliff? Did he just decide to open his parachute so that he could go slower before landing? Doesn't everyone doing this need to use their parachute to slow down? Were you able to see the parachute coming out? Is the way they get safely to the place they'll land by pulling on those handles? All they'll do now is float to the landing place. Do you have any idea if they can hear the other people who jumped talking at the time they're using the parachutes? Can you tell if some of them will be landing in the lake you see there? If it had been really windy, would they have been able to do this? Is this the first person that is about to land now? Did their friends who were too afraid to jump at least get to come to meet them at the landing? Did he manage to keep standing at the time he landed? Are those the names of the people who did this world record jump? Did they tell you that this is the first time that they had the chance to all jump together? They all must have felt relieved that there were no accidents. Is that where you would think of going to live? Are they all waiting at the bottom until all of the rest of the jumpers have had the chance to land safely? Wouldn't it have been safer to take a boat ride than jump off a cliff like you saw them doing? Wasn't it amazing to see? It's time to go have a drink.